Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iMac A2116, and now I'm going to show you how to find all your installed applications on this device. So basically there are two types of applications. First type is the portable apps. You can run it from any place on your device. You can run it even from the flash drive or from the hard drive. But there are installed applications, and even if you install the app from the App Store and even from the browser, you can find these apps in the Launchpad. Launchpad is the pre-installed. Where is my pointer? Okay, it's here. Launchpad is the pre-installed app. It's undeletable, you can't remove it, so you have it. If you have no it in dock, you can find it using command and space, but in my case it doesn't work right now. Okay, it works. So for example, here you can find Launchpad, and using the Launchpad you can find all your installed apps. Really, all installed applications you can find here. But sometimes you want to remove application. For example, Chrome. You can't remove Chrome using the Launchpad because it was installed not from the App Store but from the browser. And to remove or to just open another source of applications, you need to open the Finder and find here in Favorites applications. But if you have no application here, applications, right? So you will have always recents opened, so you will have it always. So you need to click on recents, for example, or I don't know, desktop, or maybe not the airdrop, but for example downloads, or any other folder, and you need to click show in closing folder, or just in locations. You can find your drive, for example, in Finder. Maybe it's possible to find using Find, of course. You can do it using Mount Future. You can use it. You can open it using Go Future. Maybe not with window, but you can open it with Go Future always. Here, for example, you always have applications, and it's unremovable, so you always have it here. But if you wanna add applications to the favorite bar, you need to open any folder, for example documents or desktop, click show in excluded folder, then find the user, click users, and here you will see Mac HD. Click on it, and here is application. Move it to the favorites, and then you will have your applications folder here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.